So today I'm going to teach you to make a nice pizza sauce. Nice and simple. Let's put this all together. I have a little bit of vegetable oil warming up in my pot. I'm going to add some olive oil to that as well. I like to have a good amount of oil in a pizza sauce. I take an onion, chop this guy up. Always want to have your knife as sharp as possible when you're doing an onion. That will reduce your number of tears that you get because you're actually going to have a cleaner cut. There are volatile oils and enzymes in onions and garlic that get released when you break the little different vessels inside. So the sharper your knife is, the more it has a clean slice through them. If you go through with a dull knife, what you're really doing is smashing those, and you're releasing all those volatile compounds up into where you can smell them, and they get to your eyes, and you get all teary-eyed. It's like you're watching a bad thing on the Oprah channel. Alright. I'm going to take that, get that sauteing. Salt in there. Now the biggest difference to me between a pizza sauce and a normal like pasta sauce is the level of spice, because you're not going to have too much sauce on a dish. Pizza. So I'm going to take a generous pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, kind of crush them up in my hand a little bit to start to release those oils. Get them in there. That's going to make, and frying them there with the onions is going to bring out the flavor of the pepperoncini there. And take some Italian seasoning, basil, oregano, marjoram, thyme. A hefty amount of that. This is, I'd say, a solid tablespoon heaping. Get them cooking. Work on our onions getting softened. And see, that's a pretty high spice to stuff ratio there. That's a technical term that they teach you. Slice up our garlic here. You can also use a garlic press here. Gonna wait till our onions have softened just a little bit more. Alright, they're starting to get translucent there. So we're going to add in our garlic. We're also going to add some bay leaf. Fish them out later. We're really going to try to concentrate the flavor, because if you're making a pizza, you only have a couple spoonfuls of sauce to deliver that flavor out to you. And we have some whole tomatoes in the puree. I'm just going to take a knife and right in the can, kind of chop through them a little bit. You can also do this with your hands. But this is going to simmer for a while. They're going to break down. We're just going to give them a little bit of a head start. Alright. And then they go. Gonna rinse out our can a little bit. We want all the tomato goodness. Alright, get that in there. Alright, we're gonna bring this back up to a boil. And we're going to let it simmer then, uncovered, for at least 60 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir occasionally, just to knock down the sides. Alright, it's been a little bit more than an hour. Our sauce is cooked down significantly. We've been stirring it, and we got this really thick, hearty, and rich pizza sauce. Gonna give it a little taste for seasoning. Good, I got a little bit of sweetness from a little bit of sugar I added. The pepper's coming at me. The onion flavor is strong, a really strong herbal flavor. Probably a little bit more herby than I would use on a pasta, unless I was gonna make with Fra Diavolo. But this is going to be really good for our pizza and our tomato pie. And those videos are going to be coming up, but right now, that's how you make pizza sauce. If you wanted to have it a little bit finer, you could put an immersion blender in there, or stick it in your regular blender and just pulse it a little bit. But otherwise, that's good to go. Just make sure you fish out your bay leaves, and that's all you got to do. Pizza sauce, nice and easy. Enjoy.